Hong Kong in Apley Chow now, heading to the Jumbo Floating Restaurants. Probably the last time I can see it floating on the Hong Kong waters. After we take the ferry from Apley Chow, turns right, and then we have hired a sampan to the Jumbo Floating Restaurants. Thank you, Sabte, for letting us to wear this tanka hat, the hat of the fishermen in Hong Kong. It's actually quite heavy. The Jumbo Floating Restaurant has been a landmark of Hong Kong since 1976. It was a popular tourist attraction that has even hosted Queen Elizabeth and Tom Cruise, and featured in many international movies, like the James Bond film, The Man with the Golden Gun, and Bruce Lee's movie, Enter the Dragon. The restaurant ceased operation in 2020 due to COVID-19, and probably you won't be able to see it in Hong Kong again. In late May, the company announced that the Jumbo Floating Restaurants will be leaving Hong Kong because of the high maintenance costs and also lack of docking place for maintenance and repair. And on the 31st of May, the kitchen sank. Aberdeen is the home to fishermen in Hong Kong. In earlier years, floating seafood restaurants were run by the fishing community, Tanka people. These restaurants were where birthday and wedding banquets were held among Tanka people, and soon, they became a popular spot among tourists. There were a few floating restaurants in Hong Kong in the past on the Aberdeen Harbour. And this was where you took the shuttle boat to the floating restaurants. The first one here, 海角皇宮, which was the first floating restaurant in Hong Kong. It was closed down in 1998, the Sea Palace Floating Restaurants. Second one, the most famous of all, the Jumbo Floating Restaurants, opened in 1976. If you're hosting a banquet, this is where your guests can find your name, so that when they see your name, they know that they're at the right place and will take the shuttle boats to the restaurants. The last one, 太白海鮮舫, you should have seen it in Stephen Chow's movie, God of Cookery, 食神. And this was where you took the shuttle boat to Tai Pak Floating Restaurant, built in 1915. So, 海角皇宮 closed down first, followed by 太白海鮮舫, and now Jumbo Restaurants is leaving Hong Kong soon. It is such a pity that things you once know are disappearing so quickly in Hong Kong. I hope I can see them all again in Hong Kong very soon. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Check out our Instagram for everything about Hong Kong and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.